going on YouTube? It's your girl Barry J, and I am back once again with another YouTube video. So as you guys can see from the title, this is gonna be a Juvias Place straight production, you know what I'm saying? And I am very excited about that, so I had to just do a video for you guys. If you guys are already subscribed to my channel, you guys already know that I was going to do this video for you guys. This video is also going to be featured by Glo Glittaz by Lynetta. You know, she doing her thing with her glitters and her eyelashes and stuff like that. I'm always here to support black businesses, like I told y'all before. So if you guys are interested in seeing this video, before I let you guys get into this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Without further ado, let me let y'all get into the video. Peace. So what's up, you guys? So if you guys haven't watched my previous video, y'all would not know that I went online on Juvias Place and bought a whole bunch of goodies. That I am trying to do a whole Juvias Place video right now, so you guys can know how they concealer, they foundation, and all that good stuff. Even they makeup brushes. You guys gonna know how it works, like coming from Barry J. And I'm gonna give y'all my honest opinion. I'm not gonna sugarcoat nothing. You know what I mean? So what I'm gonna do is take this concealer. They have I got this one in the shade 10. So I'm gonna go into my Nubian 2 palette and I'm going to apply this shade called Morocco, and that shade right here is going to be my translucent shade. So right now I'm going to try to make sure that I build this color onto the eyes, because I want this color to really pop out as much as possible. So what I'm going to do is just kind of pack it on and then blend it out. Okay, you guys, so now that we got that orange onto our eyelids, you want to make sure that you're packing that orange on until that orange is showing just like this. So take your time. It might take a while for you to get it down pat, but no matter what, you guys just always keep building that color. But since we got that color on, I'm going to go back into my Nubian 2 palette, and I'm going to take this lovely color right here that's called Kenya, and I'm going to darken my cut crease. Right now we're not focusing on blending it out, we're just working on building up that product as much as possible. So now we're gonna move our brush that we're applying to our cut crease in a circular motion and just kind of blend that out. You guys don't worry about if it's not blending out too good, because we're gonna go back with that orange, which was the first color that we used, and just make sure that it's evenly blended. For right now, we're gonna try to blend out as much as possible with this cut crease brush. Like I said before, we're gonna go back in with that orange, and we're not gonna apply no product to the brush. We're just gonna go right on top of that brown next to the orange and just blend that out. Okay, you guys, so we got that brown into our cut crease, nicely blended. Now what we're going to do is cut our cut crease. So what I'm going to do is take that same concealer that I used from Juvias Place, and I'm going to apply that. I'm going to use that to cut my cut crease. In with our darkest shade, which was Kenya, and we're going to blend out the end part. And just like that. Now what I'm going to do is take my Real Technique brush. I'm going to go back into my Juvias Place palette, and I'm going to take this color right here, which is called Madagascar, and I am going to make sure that I set that concealer in with I am going to be using Glo Glittaz glitter. This is by Lanetta. If you guys like the way this, mind you, this is the first time I am going to be applying glitter to my eyelids, first time, so you guys are about to see the struggle with me doing glitter. So in this thing, she gave a whole stack full of chunky glitter. We have SugarDaddy, Sweet Tooth, Baby Dog, Millennium, Graphical, and Bossy. So these are the chunky ones. I think I will be using SugarDaddy today because I feel like SugarDaddy would definitely go. What I'm going to use to apply my glitter, I'm going to try to use Duo Lash Glue and try to apply my glitter to my eyelid. If it doesn't come out bomb, then hey. Okay, so this is how I applied the glitter. My eye feel really stuck right now, but I'm gonna wait until it dries. So until then, I'm going to do this eye off camera because I want to save some time. Okay, you guys, so now I cleaned up as much glitter as possible. You know, this glitter is something else. Now I'm going to go into my shade sticks from Juvias Place. I'm going to be using Namibia. I'm going to use a foundation brush to just see how this works. First time using a brush, by the way. I'm going to go in with my damp beauty blender just to make sure everything is evenly blended. Okay, so now I'm going to take that concealer in the shade J10. Do you guys see how flat that went? Amazing. Whew. So I wasn't able to get the setting powder, so this is not all Juvias Place. So I'm going to be using TooFaced Peach Perfect setting powder. I know I'm looking a little bit ashy right now, but don't worry. I'm not gonna look like this through the whole thing. Now I'm going to contour my face with my True Contour Complex by Black Radiance. And I'm going to make sure I focus on bringing it towards here, up. And then, because when I blend it out, I'm going to blend it out to where it's gonna end up down. So now I'm gonna take this brush. I also use this as a contour brush, but I'm going to use this and go back and forth. Okay. So now what I'm gonna do is take my Morphe setting spray, continuous setting spray, and I'm going to just spray set my face. So now I'm going to go in with this Sephora collection pressed powder, And what I'm going to do is apply this lovely thing all over the face. So this is my first time using blush, you guys, so I am kind of nervous about the way I'm about to apply this right now, so I kind of want to skip out on it. But this was something that I got from Juvias Place as well, so I just want to be able to make this video all about Juvias Place. I'm only going to just use Neo, and I'm going to just place that as my blush color. So now what I'm gonna do is use my this brush that I also got from Juvias Place, and I'm going to just take this color called Lila. I'm going to just apply that as a highlight. Alright you guys, so I'm gonna go right back to the eye. The same colors that I applied to the top part of my eyes, I'm going to apply right here. Now I'm gonna go to my lips, and I'm gonna just take my, per usual, NYX lip liner, and I'm going to just outline my lips. I'm going to go on with my Juvias Place lip gloss, and this is in the style Royalty. Okay you guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was my first time using glitter, and I feel like I did an amazing job for you guys. I was very thorough with it. If I made any mistakes, you guys saw them. I feel like I just really zoomed through it. It really was a breeze. I feel like I didn't really make that much mistakes with applying this glitter besides using lash glue. But yeah, I hope you guys liked it. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you guys are new. Without further ado, peace.